So this event, we organized it already for the seventh time, is about the market entry in Germany. It is dedicated for companies to want to export and also to want to invest. We provide all kind of information with different partners we have, what is necessary to get some feeling about the German market, but also, and I think this is a highlight, that we have individual meetings with the experts where the people can get detailed information which is more focused on the company.
German-Slovene culture, it's very close together. And there are the small differences, but these are very important differences with big effect at the end.
So it's much easier to speak directly in German when my mother tongue is German. But of course you can also do it in English.
Meni se zdi v bistvu zelo zanimiva vsebina, dobri govorniki in sem zelo zadovoljna zaradi tega, ker se mi zdi, da je precej konkretnih uporabnih informacij. Tako da gre nekako od tega splošnega in gre v bistvu vedno bolj konkretnemu in zelo taki jasni, konkretni napotki.
Če razmišljamo o vstopu na nemški trg in če nič ne vemo, je tole pravzaprav priporočam kot prvi korak, da se sploh ne beremo informacije.
Poleg tega, da zveš zelo zanimivih in pomembnih informacij, je tudi zelo dobrodošlo to mreženje, druženje.
We see a strong competence by the Slovenian companies. I mean, there are a lot of very well established companies with a high knowledge-intensive industry, and also there are competencies we need in North Rhine-Westphalia. Both countries are very strong in production industry, mechanical engineering, and in automotive, so that we see a potential to adopt Slovenian companies to our local economy.